Xiaomi's Redmi has launched a few monitors in the market, and the company has now announced yet another monitor in its home country China, dubbed the Redmi Curved Monitor 30-inch. As the name itself indicates, it is a 30-inch monitor, and instead of the regular flat display, the company has adopted a curved design for the screen. It also marks the debut of the brand in the curved monitor segment. The Redmi Curved Monitor 30-inch features a 30-inch display with WFHD resolution of 2560 by 1080 pixels, a 200Hz refresh rate, 21:9 aspect ratio, 126% sRGB color gamut, and support for DC dimming as well as AMD FreeSync Premium. In terms of design, the monitor has narrow bezels on the three sizes top, left, and right, but the bottom chin is a bit thicker. It also has a bracket which can be helpful for cable management. As for the ports, the monitor has two HDMI ports and a DP interface. Although this is the first curved monitor from the Redmi brand, the parent company Xiaomi already has a similar product in the market. A couple of years back, the Mi Curved gaming monitor was launched with a minimalist design. The new Redmi Curved Monitor 30-inch has been priced at 1299 yuan, which roughly converts to $204. The company has revealed that the product will be available for purchase in the Chinese market from 8 April. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. I will be grateful to you. See you soon.